Hi, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you've found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we'll do a warm-up that's great for any use, but what I have in mind specifically is the type of warm-up that I would recommend doing before a rehearsal. Much of the time, if you're going to go sing with other people, that group will do a bit of a warm-up together, but I like to think of that as more of time to craft the group's sound. So here's a personal warm-up to get you ready to go into a rehearsal. Let's start with a lip trill on and go. Make sure the lighting. All the in-between sounds. For any of these exercises, feel free to change octaves as needed. Next, let's sing on a rounded nu, like nu. Here we go. Now let's work to engage the breath as we sing. I like to put a little extra breath hook at the beginning of that, a little bit more exaggerated than when we would be singing a song. Here we go. Now let's descend on meow, 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 meow. This exercise is great for having an engaged sound that also has some openness in it. Here we go. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Great job. This next exercise is great for coordination and encouraging a neutral larynx. We're going to sing on ga, 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 and go. Ga, 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 ga. 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 Ga, 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 For this exercise, we're going to sing on the words I know. Aim for a little bit of space and roundness in the mouth and throat. It sounds like this. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Here we go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I With a focus on relaxed resonance, let's sing ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, like ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, and go ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, Let's do just a little bit of interval work on nee-ho-ee-ho-ee-ho-ee-ho-ee, and go nee-ho-ee-ho-ee-ho-ee-ho-ee, 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 Nicely done. Let's finish with an octave arpeggio on Oh How I Love to Sing. Keep it relaxed. Oh how I love to sing. 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 Oh how I love to s sing. Oh, how I love to sing. so much for warming up with me today. Double check and make sure that you've subscribed to my channel and give this video a like if you liked it. It helps me reach more people. I will see you next time.